With Celestron's travel scope, it's never been easier to take a high-quality telescope on the go. Each travel scope includes a durable canvas backpack, perfect for taking along on a camping trip or hike. When you arrive at your destination, assemble the telescope and you'll be ready to observe in minutes with no tools necessary. The adjustable tripod can extend to full height or collapse for use on a picnic table or bench for more comfortable viewing. Travel Scope is a refractor-style telescope with objective lenses ranging from 50 to 70 millimeters. That's enough light-gathering ability to view the rings of Saturn, craters on the Moon, and many more of the brightest celestial objects. An erect image diagonal corrects the orientation of your images, so you can also use Travel Scope for daytime observations of wildlife, birds, and more. To view objects, first center them in the 2x20 optical finder scope. Then, get a closer look using either the low or high power eyepiece. Simply turn the knobs to bring your subjects into sharp focus. When you're out under the stars, use Celestron's free Sky Portal mobile app for iOS and Android to locate objects in the night sky. As you observe, listen to Sky Portal's audio descriptions for the most popular objects. Happy stargazing! Let your telescope take you on a tour of the cosmos with the NexStar SLT, or Star Locating Telescope. Every telescope in this popular family features the same locating technology on our high-end observatory telescope, priced to fit your budget. Designed with beginning and intermediate amateur astronomer in mind, NexStar SLT is easy to set up and use. Assembling the telescope takes just a few minutes. Then, the computerized NexStar Plus hand control guides you through our Sky Align procedure. Center any 3 bright objects, and the telescope is aligned and ready to locate any star, planet, or galaxy in its 40,000 object database. If you aren't sure what to observe, check out the Sky Tour. It automatically generates a list of the best objects currently visible based on your exact time and location. This SLT family features a variety of optical tube sizes and styles. There's a 102mm refractor, 90mm, and 127mm Maxutov Cassegrain models, and the 130mm Newtonian reflector with maximum light gathering ability. All 4 models provide the bright, sharp images you'd expect from Celestron, the world's #1 telescope maker. Your NexStar SLT includes everything you need to get started with amateur astronomy, including a tripod, a finder scope, and 2 eyepieces. When you're out under the stars, use Celestron's free Sky Portal mobile app for iOS and Android to locate objects in the night sky. As you observe, listen to Sky Portal's audio descriptions for the most popular objects. Happy stargazing! A computerized telescope takes the guesswork out of astronomy, finding and centering objects in the eyepiece for you, automatically. That means you and your friends can get more out of each stargazing session and spend more quality time viewing objects. Celestron's LCM telescopes bring you the same star locating technology you'll find in our advanced telescopes at the most affordable price. Getting started is easy thanks to our proprietary Sky Align procedure. Use the directional buttons to center any 3 celestial objects in the eyepiece, and your LCM is aligned and ready to locate and identify objects for you. You can even let your telescope take you on a tour of the night sky, guiding you to all the best objects currently visible. With the largest optical tube in the LCM family, the 114 offers a 4.5-inch primary mirror for lots of light gathering ability. Combine it with the included low and high power eyepieces, and you'll enjoy detailed views of the rings of Saturn, the gas clouds of the Orion Nebula, and hundreds of other objects. When you're ready to upgrade your telescope, LCM is compatible with our latest accessories, like the SkyQ Link 2 Wi-Fi module. Discover the wonders of the night sky with a classic beginner telescope, the Celestron AstroMaster, a great first telescope to enjoy with your family. Every AstroMaster, from the compact 70mm refractor to the 130mm reflector, reveals dazzling views of craters on the Moon, the rings of Saturn, the moons of Jupiter, the Orion Nebula, and many more of the most popular celestial objects. Choose the larger Newtonian reflectors for brighter, more detailed images. Even if you've never used a telescope before, you'll be navigating the sky in minutes with your AstroMaster. The equatorial mount is a favorite of amateur astronomers because it makes it easy to track objects as they appear to move across the sky. Your AstroMaster includes everything you need for a great night of stargazing. 2 eyepieces, a permanently mounted red dot finder scope, and a sturdy, full-size steel tripod with accessory tray. When you're out under the stars, use Celestron's free Sky Portal mobile app for iOS and Android to locate objects in the night sky. As you observe, listen to Sky Portal's audio descriptions for the most popular objects. Happy stargazing!